All right, take two. So my nephew Henry got me this gift for Christmas. This is the Takeflight Deluxe Multi-Tool Gift Kit. And my sister got Heather this book of flowers, wildflowers, which we're gonna throw in our camping backpacking gear. And I wanted to open this up and show everybody what comes in the multi-tool kit. And it consists of a bracelet paracord, which is really cool. It can become very helpful. And let's start off with this, because I know what this is. Because I have this up on the screen. And so this is a multi-tool. And the multi-tool has a can opener, knife edge, screwdriver, ruler, cap opener, 4-position wrench, butterfly wrench, saw blade, direction, auxiliary, and diction. I don't know what the heck that is. 2-position wrench and lanyard hole. So let's see if I can get a zoom on that. So on this side here is the knife edge. This here is the can opener. And this slit right here looks to be a butterfly screw wrench. And over here on this edge is the saw blade. And right here is a the key chain hole. And then this dealio here is a 2-position wrench. And this circle here is a directional auxiliary indication. Over here on this side is a ruler. This here, of course, is your bottle opener. And this here on this corner is a screwdriver. So that comes in this handy dandy little pocket. So we can put that back in there. And now this thing, come on. Now this here has a hex bolt driver. On top it has the key ring hole. Down here it has a bottle opener. And down here at the bottom is a pry bar. Very nice. And so whenever I first got this portion of it, I was a bit confused. I thought I was missing something, some kind of a, I don't know, some kind of a handle so I can insert these bits into. But it turns out that this one here at the end, as soon as I get it out, actually goes on this multi-tool here. So you open this up. Pull out the screwdriver, get this guy, it goes right in there, and then you can grab your bit, it goes in here. Pretty crafty. That's pretty cool, very useful. And this is your standard multi-tool kit, and you can get pretty creative with each one of these. So I'll just pull them out so you can take a look. Of course, bottle opener, screwdriver, little knife, saw. On this side, I'm not sure how sharp these are, so be a little bit careful. So here we have a ruler. Let's measure 2 inches. Right behind it, flat screwdriver. This thing here, don't know, but there it is. And a knife. And of course, you got your pliers. Wire cutter. Folds up nicely. Also, by the way, it's got a spring load. Very nice. Stainless steel. And once you put these back in their place, they go right back in here. And this goes in there. That's got a little loop for a belt strap. Very cool. So, want to thank Henry Wolf and Ava Wolf for getting us his Christmas gifts. And I'll send you guys a video. Everybody, thanks for watching.